Here we're showing a concept map generated using the free CMap tools of a group of students that were in a debate on a topic inside a course, an online course, using a discussion forum across 2 or 3 weeks. Each of the students is anonymized, but if we look at what happens when we take Crawdad Desktop software and use a centering resonance analysis of each of the posts, we're able to do a concept map for each of the students. Here's one, for example, for student C. And you can see that the primary concepts are in red, the secondary concepts in yellow, and the degree of connectivity between the concepts is shown with the shading of the lines connecting different concepts. In contrast, we can look at student D, who made lesser posts and with less complexity, and you can see this in the form of their concept map. Now, another way of looking at the students as a collective is to examine what they've done as a group, and we can do this by taking the output from Crawdad Desktop into visualizing this spreadsheet using IBM's website called Many Eyes. And if we go to Many Eyes, you can see that this is a pivot table showing all of the themes and concepts collectively across all of the students by each of the students in the rows A, B, C, D, so on. If I look at a particular concept, let's say evidence, I can see that which students have mentioned evidence as a significant theme or concept in their posts. So this is very helpful. Back to the concept map again, and this time we can look at Many Eyes' version of a bubble chart, which will show us individual students on a comparative basis. So if we go to bubble chart, we will see this kind of an arrangement where the pivot table, again with all of the significant themes and concepts, is shown, and for this case student D, we can see the relative sizes of the bubbles indicates the proportional influence of each of the concepts. In contrast, student C has a slightly different representation from the bubble matrix, showing again the relative contributions by theme or by concept. Lastly, we can take a look at the relationships between the concepts across all of the students and their postings by doing an IBM Many Eyes PhraseNet. So if we go to PhraseNet, we will see this kind of a situation, which is really a concept map showing all of the key concepts or themes within the collective postings, and then the lines connecting them show us the context inside which the two related concepts occur within the student posts. So again, a very helpful way of getting a bird's eye view of the entire process of the discussion.